If you are also struggling with Instagram posts stuck while uploading, in this video I will show you the fastest way to fix that. So guys, first of all, if you are facing this problem, you'll have to first of all go to Instagram, and for example you have uploaded a post or a video and it's stuck and it never gets posted. So the first and the most easiest thing that has the 90% or more chances to fix your problem is to go to your profile by clicking on the bottom right corner and then simply tapping on like three lines on the top right corner. After that you'll have to scroll down all the way to the bottom and then you'll have to tap on logout and then hit save to save the login information, and it may take some seconds to log you out of your account. And once you're logged out, you'll have to tap on continue again and you'll be logged in, and that post that was stuck will be deleted and you'll have to upload it again, and it will be uploaded successfully within a few seconds if your internet is stable. Now if it still doesn't fixes your problem, you'll have to head over to the setting of your phone, uh, and once you're on this page you'll have to tap on apps to head over to the apps section. And once you're on this page you'll have to tap on Instagram, and it will take you to a new page, and you'll have to tap on storage and cache. Now what you'll have to do is to tap on clear cache. It will delete all the uh, glitches and bugs and cache files, which will help you to upload your posts on Instagram. I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel, and comment below if you got stuck anywhere. I will definitely help you out.